Hello, I'm your meteorologist Max Schuster checking in with your weather for today. It does look like there's those 80s, 90s, and 80s are still going to stick around in Texas, but it does look like they're going to be rising into the northeast. So that will be happening. It will be moving up into New England. Those dew points do look a little bit warm toward the southern New England. It does look like in the northern New England, you're looking at comfortable conditions in that area. It does look like in Maine, you do have some 70s and some low 80s in the area. It does look like that will be staying. 5 to 10 miles per hour, that will probably be what's going to happen. Southeast and southwest winds toward the shoreline. We do have that sea breeze. That will be kicking in with those temperatures. It does look like around New Hampshire, you do have toward the western areas, it will be warmer in New Hampshire into the western because of that high pressure that's going to be moving in. It does look like Hampton 76 and 79 up into the higher elevations near Jackson, and it does look like that will be continuing for a little while till those 80s and 90s return for that heat wave. It does look like other temperatures around high 70s and low 80s. I would not expect it to be in the mid 80s. It is still possible though with that. And it does look like some of those high 70s into the low 80s. It does look like that will be continuing for your forecast, for your day and tomorrow night, and tomorrow too. It does look like around Connecticut you do have those low 80s and a little bit of those high 70s. I wouldn't rule out a little bit of a lower temperature, but it's humid, so it could be a little warmer for your feel-like temperature. It does look like toward the Cape, it does look like we do have those high 70s and even mid 70s. And it does look like the winds will be moving from east to south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe even near Boston. It's going to be around the mid and high 70s. So that will be what's going to happen in that area. Then we do have those 80s and a couple 70s. So we're going to be looking up toward the northern area of Massachusetts. For your 7-day forecast, it does look like we do have those. It's going to be 78 for today, but maybe even going to have that heat wave still coming back in, and that will be returning for this week. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please stay tuned for more. Back to you in the studio.
2:30, you did it. Well done. Come here. Max, come here.
Yeah?
Your mic. I need to shake your hand. Come here, please. Look at the camera. Good job. The youngest ever graduate of the Blue Hill Meteorological Launch Your Weather Career class. It's an honor. You can come 7 more times before you even get to college. I'll take the mic. All right, who's up now? Peter?